Good morning, Team Network members. Good morning, and thank you for joining me here on Coffee with Kurt. Today is Monday morning, June 23rd, and you'll never know or guess where I am right now. That's right. That's right. I'm in Detroit, Michigan. That's not a false background. That's the real deal. I'm here at Pittsville, USA, and my beautiful wife, Terry, and I just took a tour of Motown Records, and I'm just feeling so inspired right now by what Berry Gordy did and the dream that he had. You know, we all have dreams, and I certainly have got mine in Team Network. You've got your dreams too, and that's what Team Network is really all about, is working together to achieve our goals and dreams in life, and make some friends and really have some fun along the way. You know, I've got a dream to expand Team Network nationwide. Berry Gordy had his dream, and I took a real big step in my dream, and I think because our dreams are really kind of coexist here. As Team Network grows, I bring in more people, you bring in more people into the organization, we meet more folks, and all that's just going to generate more and more business for everybody. I do have a big announcement to make. One of my goals here is to expand Team Network, and I just made a big move toward that goal in signing up a lady by the name of Sue Butler to help me develop Northern Virginia. Now, many of you might know Sue Butler. Most of you probably don't, but I've known Sue for over 20 years. I met her in 1992 because she became the first franchise owner for B&I in the Washington area. She owned Northern Virginia, she owned Washington, D.C., and she owned Maryland. And within 4 years, she had 35 groups up and running. Got out of the business, sold the company, sold her franchise, and has been doing executive search and recruiting and some other things. And I just have a tremendous amount of respect for her. And she's on board. She's going to help us build Northern Virginia and bring in some new business into Maryland too. So, in fact, she's got big dreams herself. I just got an email from her, and she has set some pretty aggressive goals. She wants to build about a dozen groups in a year and a half, starting in September of this year. So we're all going to help her do that. We're all going to work together as a team. We're all going to, like Berry Gordy, going to achieve our goals together and dreams, and it's all about teamwork. So first you got to believe, and go out there and sing the praises of Team Network, talk about the app, talk about our big event coming up on July 1st, buy a client, buy a potential client a ticket. It's only $25. You as a Team Network member get in free anyway, so spread the word, get online, register, make sure that we know you're coming. That's all we ask, and gear up for July the 1st next week. And in the meantime, Marty on and help your fellow team members do those punches, sell the app idea, and let's all work together to achieve our goals, because I'm on your team too. So until next time, we'll see you on Coffee with Kurt.